from senior KG. Today we are going to make 4 cups. It's a bit easy. Now we are going to make it into our origami. Just make it unfold, then like this. Then here write 4 color names in each square, and here write 8 numbers in each triangle, and open, and in each triangle write any things or funny animals. Now let's make the 4 cups. It looks like this. We need to write the color names over here and number names in these triangles. Numbers in these triangles and funny animals or things on this. Now I will teach you how to play this. What color do you want?
What colors are there?
Magenta, crimson, yellow ochre, turquoise blue.
I want magenta.
M-A-Z-E-N-T-A. Which number do you want? 3, 4, 7, 8.
8.
E-I-G-H-T. Which number do you want? 2, 1, 5, 6.
6.
You are a baboon.
I'm a baboon.
Bye bye.
Do you like that game?
Yes.